everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today the video is going to be the Allure box. Now Allure changed their box and went to a 23 or 4. I think this will probably be my last Allure box. I've not been real excited about the new change. I've got it in October and November, and I really wasn't that happy. If I happen to get it in December, I'll still do the unboxing, but I did try to cancel. We'll see how that goes. But I'll go ahead and unbox this for you today. I know I'm a little behind in my videos and unboxings. I'm sorry. I'm trying my best to get a balance between working and my unboxings. But let's go ahead and unbox this today. So this is supposed to come with like certain amount of full size versus sample size. I really feel like their full size isn't real full sized, and I think that's part of my problem. Plus, in comparison, like if you go look at the Boxy base box unboxing or the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing, it's just like you get more for their 25 versus this 25. I'm not feeling like, I mean, I probably am getting the same amount of value back, but I don't feel it. So, in this box comes this little magazine, and I do love this box. Essentially, I do. It tells you, like, it doesn't tell you about the product, but it talks about, like, why these people picked the products that they picked and why it works for them. I use it mainly because at the bottom it tells you how much the full size is and where you can go to buy it, and usually gives you a code for it if you want to buy it. So that's what I use it. So the first item in the box that I will pull out is this bad boy right here, and I have no idea how to say that. So it's called Dermalect Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. And its full size price is $42. They are saying that this is the full size bottle. I don't know what a sleep serum does. I guess it's for when you go to sleep. That's what that looks like. I do have quite a few serums right now, so that smells like vodka. Probably not supposed to feel and smell like vodka. But it does. It smells like it has a whole lot of alcohol in it. Either way, it says it is a potent, gentle, anti-aging serum with 3 forms of amino acids. It's probably the acids that I'm smelling. So, seems like it's a nice item. However, my box is all messed up. Like, it's not even packaged and glued. I mean, I know it's been a while since I got this box, but it's not like I played with it or anything. It does have this handy little thing from this company that shows you about all their products. That's kind of neat to look at. Oh, and it does give me more of a description about this sleep serum. So it's more than what Allure gave me. So that's kind of neat. Maybe I'll read up on this company. I don't know. That is the first item. I don't know. I don't really use nighttime serums. I probably will when I get a house and I have my own bathroom. But I really don't use a whole lot of serums right now because I don't like get up for work and go in the bathroom and have time to wash everything off and take care of my face. And that box is just like trash. So that is the first item. This next item is, it says it's a full-size item. I don't feel like this is a full-size item, but it says it's a $30 item by Josephine Cosmetics, and it's supposed to be a liquid eyeshadow in the color, I don't even know, Meet Leona. I guess that's the color. Oh, Leona is the color. Okay. So there's that. It does look like it's like a gold. It says it's an eye dazzle. I'll swatch it on the back of my hand. Oh, it's like a coppery color. It's not a bad color. So there's that. I don't know if I'd spend $30 on. It's like the size of a freaking lipstick. I don't think I'd spend $30 on an eyeshadow that's that size. But that's just me. The next item is by Nana Kadar, and it is a lip moisturizing mask for $22. I don't use a whole lot of these. I'm sure this is supposed to be also full size. You're supposed to get so many full size in this. I don't remember offhand the ratio. You get a couple of samples and a couple of full size. 4 to 6 full size. Oh, at least it has a wand. So it does have a wand. Although mine's kind of fluffy and it's kind of more of a cream than a gloss. But it's not bad. That's that item. The next item is a sample. I'm going to go with it's a sample because it's only a one-time use, but it's an instant eye mask. Instant Bright by Skin Meta, and it says you get 6 sets for $48. I wouldn't pay $48 for those, or even for those. Personally, the next item, now this is funny. This is so cute. It says it's by Neurogen, and it's Micro Essence. It's a small little tiny bottle. And it says it's $38. Directions. Use this essence daily in the morning and evening after cleansing. Sprinkle the essence into palms of hand and use a cotton pad to gently sweep across the face and neck, lightly patting your skin until the essence is fully absorbed. So is it like a toner? I don't even know what that would be. But they say it's full size. I don't feel like it is. But there's that. The next item is by Perfect Shine. And it's a scalp cleanser. The full size is 16. There's no way this is a full size. This is definitely not a full size. But it smells really good. I do like scalp cleansers. I've used them before. It's really nice to clarify your scalp ever so often. They are difficult. They're kind of like a lotion with sea salt in them. But I do like them. I really don't feel that's a full-size item. I really feel like they're just passing off items as full-size when they're not. The next item says it's $18.99 For a full size, I feel like this is a sample. It is a hydrating facial moisturizer by Allure. They're alright brand. I kind of like them. But you only get like 2 or 3 uses out of this. And the last item says it's $5 for one. And it is a face mask by Win. It doesn't really tell me what kind of face mask it is. This says last choice. It is a hydrating one. Most of them are. But, so there's that. And it says it's $5 for one. So that's what I got in my Allure box. This is why I debated on canceling it. I did love getting Allure, but I really feel like for the price, I'm getting more samples that they're passing off as bigger, like, oh, this is a deluxe sample, and it's not. It's just a sample. Or that you get so many full size. I don't really feel like I got, although that's really pretty dried down. But I don't feel like I got, like, I feel like that's the only full-sized items I really got was these 3. And I may be wrong by this, but this just does not feel like full-sized. And I wouldn't spend $30 for this size item. Like, this thing would have to, like, take my wrinkles and hide all my freckles and make my skin perfect for me to spend $30 for a bottle this big. Even if I use 4 drops of this every day and every night, I mean, like, this is only going to last, like, maybe 2 weeks. So, that's my Allure box. But I do enjoy it. I'll list it right here so you can see all of the items. But if you like that, just click the links down below. I do try to upload as often as I can. I have trying to work on more of a schedule and get ahead of it. But if you like seeing my smiling face and me being a hot mess, just make sure you hit subscribe. I did I did get 50 subscribers, and I'm really happy about that. But yeah, I'm kind of a hot mess. I'm still working on it. I'm getting more and more comfortable. So, I'm hoping that will improve. I will improve. But, until next time, I heart your face. And I'll see you next video. Bye.